Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Brave VPN versus NordVPN. So if you don't know what these two are, Brave VPN is a built-in into Brave browser and powered by Guardian. It offers basic privacy protection, works on multiple devices, and is simple to use for casual users who want quick privacy without extra setup. And NordVPN, on the other hand, is a full-featured top-tier VPN with thousands of servers worldwide. It supports advanced features like fast speeds, streaming, torrenting, and apps for nearly every platform. So let's go over the pros and cons, starting with Brave here. So Brave pros is that it is easy to use, it is built into Brave, and has decent speed and is free. Now the cons of Brave is that it requires the Brave browser, it has fewer features, and it is limited to in-server network. Now the pros of NordVPN is that it has more servers, better speed, works with Netflix, and strong security tools, and a lot more. Now the cons of it is that it is a separate app, which means that it is a third-party app, and it is more expensive. Now which one is right for you? So you should choose Brave VPN for simple, lightweight browsing privacy, and choose NordVPN for a powerful, full-featured protection across all devices and use cases. So if you're looking for a good VPN, just choose Nord. Brave browser is a very basic VPN, so if you're on a really good VPN, you should choose NordVPN. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.